Welding, a job that takes patience, concentration, and absolute focus. You might not realize what is built through welding, like cars, boats, and those huge construction ships, or even small appliances and highways. Welding is an essential everyday need that helps create products that most of us use unknowingly.
Program was initially the job placement. I heard that it was in demand. So when I got in here, it was really fun. Lots of hands-on, lots of chemistry, the science behind it.
Use in our everyday lives. Becoming a welder takes 9 months and requires a certificate and not a college degree, because welders are needed in almost every industry. They are in very high demand. Welders make between $50,000 and $200,000 a year. Welding is needed everywhere, ranging from the bottom of the oceans to outer space to everywhere in between.